Alright guys, welcome to my 392. I'm out here at Rolling Thunder. They having a cars show out here and motorcycles. Check this out, guys. Oh, is that your dad's bike, that Kawasaki?
Oh, that's his bike?
Yeah.
His bike, my bike.
Damn. Okay. Yeah, he
Full
said.
house.
Okay. Cool.
Gotta keep it interesting.
There you go. Yeah, your dad sound funky, man.
That one's not street legal.
Woo, that thing sound funky. I'm a YouTuber. I didn't get to hear him. By the time I turned around, he shut it down. He turned it on just so I could get it on my YouTube channel, man. Can I hear it one time? Can you pump it? Can you start it one time?
Not a problem at all, buddy.
Appreciate it, brother. Oh, you got Vance and Hines, man.
Yeah.
Wow. What's your dad got? Yoshimura? Is that a Yoshimura?
No, this is a Vance. It's just been
Vance
cut
too?
down a little bit. It's been edge cut, and then
Gotcha.
motor's revved up a little bit.
Oh, that's nice. Start on yours. Sure. Got a Suzuki and a Kawasaki. My two favorite bikes. You got an air shifter too?
No, my bike's street shift. It's
street shift. Okay.
but both of them velocity stacks, board up, big cams. It's got everything you possibly think thrown in there.
Gotcha. You guys work on your own bikes? You do all the work? Really?
I built this one from the ground up. It's 5 years in making.
Can I hear it, please? Oh, let me get over here.
Sure, by all means.
I want to hear that Vance and Hines.
Yes, sir. If I can get it out of gear,
Neutral, huh?
pretty please. New bike's full.
This is my channel right here, Uncle Mike 392. I'm going to have you and your dad's bikes on here, man.
You got it, buddy.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you for coming by.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Huh? Yes.
All right, let's move on. That was fun hearing the motorcycles. Okay. So let's continue on, shall we? There's B. Houston coming. Alright, I'm finna go on the other side and film over there, guys. I got interested in the motorcycles. Alright, let's go. Come on, follow me. El Camino SS 396. There you go. That's nice. All around the day. I'm trying to find a sign where I can show you guys where I'm located. I haven't seen that sign yet. I know I'm near the Prime Steakhouse right here. I'm not very familiar with this side of town, so I don't really know my way around over here. This is Sunday morning, guys, 16th of July. Yesterday I was at a cattle company filming on Southeast 29. This morning out here Sunday. Yeah, I'm out here on Memorial and Esquires Drive. Okay. And I did find a sign. I'm going to show you guys the sign. Let me get over there. This. Check this out, guys. That's nice. Look at that. K&N on there. Passport, yeah. All kind of goodies on here, man. Who's this?
This is.
It's for sale.
Huh?
It's for sale.
Wow. It's beautiful, man.
Pocket change.
That is, I'm on YouTube. I'm putting this on my YouTube channel.
75 cents. 75 cents. It's yours.
Your car is gone now.
$1.50.
Low mileage too.
Yeah.
How many miles you got on?
13,800.
You selling it for real?
You're wearing it out.
If I had to write off,
I got 1,500 subscribers. All it takes is one of my subscribers to buy it. You want to sell it?
I mean, I'm not trying to sell it. Put it that way.
But I was going to tell you to put your. Can I hear it, please?
You ought to hear it run. It's
Can I
nasty.
please hear it?
It is nasty. I mean,
I
nasty.
mean, you talking about dog nasty?
Oh, it's nasty. Yeah, it's nasty.
All right, here we go.
Here it is.
You don't have to get close, believe me.
No,
The
I'm
ground's
gonna get it
shake.
right here.
The ground's gonna shake.
All right, guys, we're gonna get us a cold start right here on this bad boy.
He ain't heard shaking till you start.
Well,
Where's yours at, bro?
that Hemming.
Yeah.
You gonna start up?
He likes that black stuff.
Yeah, the earth rumbling.
That rumble.
Yeah, I'm not kidding.
It don't
you.
tremble,
Didn't have
rumble.
his black
440
t-shirt,
poured out.
cigarettes rolled up in it. Oh, he did? No.
You had a 426 in it.
Tight pressed jeans, you know, with the
freeze
freeze in
in
it.
it.
It looked like.
It's nasty.
I can't wait to hear that cool. Yeah. This is my YouTube channel right here, guys. If you want to see this, Uncle Mike 392.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. How about you have 392?
And then 1957.
I wasn't ready for you. Let me get the inside of this bad boy. They got stick shift in there. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No. It was nice.
Let me get a picture of you guys on here.
I bought it new.
Did
I
you?
know everything about it.
Really? Wow.
You know, I actually had fruit fingers on my cooter for a
I'm
while.
getting you guys all on here.
Because I was worried about the white litters on my tires.
If you ever want to sell it, and I see you at a car show, just let me know and I'll put it on my channel.
Oh,
Because I got 1,500 subscribers. Remember, all it takes is one somebody serious. That's it.
I got a 10 Corvette I want to sell.
If you take it out, are you gonna be at Coffee and Cars?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't even had it out. I haven't even had it on the
Well, if you
street.
bring it out and I
We'll
see
get it
it.
started. I'll bring it to Coffee Car.
Yeah, well, we can film it, and you can tell my subscribers about it. Tell them your phone number and let them contact you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want any of that thing.
It's a 10 model when I bought it. And it's
Did
got
you?
16,000 miles on it.
Right?
there.
Okay. What year is this?
13.
13. Okay. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Yes, sir. I'll be up there in a little bit, brother.
Oh, okay.
I'll be looking for you. You got a cooter. I love the cooters.
This cooter is
It sound like this?
louder.
Loud. Oh.
3 times louder.
See, not only do you go on my YouTube, I have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So you're going on 5 different. This is going on 5 different platforms. Not just YouTube.
He's turbocharged, man.
You meet him or while he's been
Yeah.
I started with just YouTube, and then I ventured out. I started doing TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. And,
What name you go by?
Uncle Mike 392. Uncle Mike 392.
Oh, okay. I'm looking, but now you're okay. Yeah.
There you go.
I heard it. I heard it. Huh? I am. Let me finish doing this. I gotta show love to this veteran. He's a Navy veteran, so I'm a veteran too.
Thanks for serving.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Which branch?
I was in the Army, 82nd Airborne.
I did, but my dad did. He was EMT.
Yeah. Military? Really? Okay. All right, I'm ready. There you go. I got it. Thank you. Oh, this is where I'm located, guys, right here. Down the roadhouse, right here. Cafe and all the track. That's it. That's where I'm located, right here. And I'm out here on Memorial and Eskridge Drive. And right across the street from APUS Prime Steakhouse, right there. And they still coming in. Still. All right, I'm gonna pause it right here. I'm gonna stop this and start another one. See you guys on the other side of the lake.